To add color material to an object, simply go to the Material Properties tab. Click on New to add material. We also can change the color by going to the Shading tabs. Let's add new material for the plane. To do so, select the plane. Then, click on the New button on here. If you already add material but nothing showing up in the Shader tabs, just hit Home button on your keyboard. And now, let's assign new color for Suzanne in the plane to any color, by changing the base color on the Shader tabs on here. Make sure you on the Material Preview viewport. Simply click on here to go to the Material Preview viewport. Let's assign new color for the plane too. Just add new material, and change the base color for the plane.